Well, hello again, Hott Blocc Fam. Welcome to part 3 of how to fade and cut this haircut. We're going to hit them with that 1.5 against the grain, come back with that 1 with the grain, taper them up, fade them up, edge them up, trim them up, and boom, let them get up out the door. Now, family, this haircut made me famous. At least in my mind, it did. But I just love this haircut. All even with the tape on the sides and back, that's my jam. Come on, let me walk you through it. All right, so we go with the 1.5 against the grain. We make sure everything even. Now we take that 1 guard. We go with the grain, following the direction of the hair while we combing the hair. We keep combing the hair and following the direction of the hair just to smooth it out. Now we're gonna stick that baby listen in the back of his edge up. We're gonna put it in the back first. Make us a crisp line, use that comb. There you go. Get the excess hairs off and around the side. Pull it up a little bit. Add a little resistance. Look at that technique. All right, so we go around the ear. Not too high, but just around the ear so you can have a definite look. We're gonna start in the middle of his. Kind of pull it back, add a little resistance. Go to the corner so we'll have a guideline. The guideline is always at the corner of your eye. All right, so now we're going to the cut with the left corner of our clipper because we're on the right side of his head. Now the same thing on this side of the back. Go straight down with the line, clean it up, make it crisp. Keep the comb in your hand, keep combing it down so you can catch the hairs that's overlapping the line up. Pull it up with your thumb, that's technique. Yeah, there you go. Now we go to the other side. Start right there in the front, making that line straight. The corner of that line need to be with the eyebrow. Keep combing it, making sure hairs don't overlap over the hairline. Stand back, look at it. Get it the way you want it. All right, so now it's time to get down in this cup. I'm gonna start down at the beard line. Come around in the cup, line it up. I think it's time to throw that tape on. Let's go. Now we're gonna close our clippers all the way up and get the fade in. We're gonna make a ball on both sides first. Right below the cut and on the top of the ear, make a ball line. See, right there at the bottom. So we can have some space to fade. Clean it out, turn them all the way around. Let's do the other side the same way. Right at the bottom of the cup and at the top of the ear. Yeah, we don't want to make a hard line right here. We just want to make a squiggly kind of ball line so we'll have a chance to fade it out and it won't be a line now. So now we're flicking. Combing, we steady combing with that flick motion. We flick it up to take the line out. Yeah, we take the line out. Then now we use the edge of the clippers to go ahead and fade it in. So boom, fade it, comb it, keep combing it now, and fade it. There we go. Back to the other side, we flick the same way. Flick that line out. Yeah. Once we get that line flicked out, now we can start fading with the corner of the clipper. Yeah, keep combing it so you can see where you at. You gotta make it look like the image in your head. Yeah, keep flicking it. Comb it and flick it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect here. He's falling asleep on me. Now we head straight to the back. We get to the back. I like to do the sides of my taper first before I do the bottom of it. So we're gonna get on the right side of his head, get on the back side, then we do the other side, then we go straight in the middle. Come on, let's go. Here go the trimming part. Trim, baby, trim.